Welcome to 52 Oak Street, a rare and remarkable opportunity in the heart of Wakefield's beloved Greenwood neighborhood. This isn't just a home, it's a piece of living history. Built in the 1890s by ambitious developer Henry Savage, this Queen Anne-influenced colonial revival home stands as one of the most elaborate residences in the area. It's proudly listed on the National Register of Historic Places, a tribute to its architectural significance and timeless beauty. From the street, you're immediately drawn in by the sweeping wraparound porch, elegant turret, and carriage port, hallmark features of an era that prized craftsmanship and detail. The two-story barn with original hay door and understructure garage adds to the home's historic charm and incredible potential. Step inside and you'll find over 3,400 square feet of character waiting to be restored. This home was clearly designed for gracious living, with high ceilings, large sun-filled rooms, and intricate millwork, and it creates a warm and welcoming canvas for your vision. Pocket doors, transom windows, a built-in china cabinet, and wood floors hint at the rich past and invite you to imagine its future. On the first level, the layout is ideal for both daily living and entertaining. There's a spacious living room, a formal dining room, a home office or study, a bright sunroom, half bath, and a large eat-in kitchen ready for your personal touch. An enclosed side porch provides cozy transition to the outdoors, and it's perfect for your morning coffee or evening reading. But let's be clear, this is a home that's ready for its next chapter. It needs a steward with vision and someone who sees not just what it is, but what it can become. Someone who values history, appreciates craftsmanship, and has a zest for restoring beauty to its full potential. Upstairs, the primary suite offers a rare layout. With an attached sitting room and a private bath, it's a true retreat. The second bedroom includes the home's signature turret, a charming light-filled nook ideal for a reading corner or a creative space. And the location is absolutely ideal, just minutes from downtown Wakefield, the commuter rail, scenic Lake Quannapowitt, and an array of shops and restaurants. 52 Oak Street combines the charm of yesteryear with the convenience of today. This is more than just a renovation project. It's an opportunity to own and revive a true architectural treasure. If you've been searching for a home with soul, substance, and endless possibilities, your journey may end right here.